Hello everyone. Before I start this video, I just want to say that this video was recorded quite a while ago. Back when the Xbox Series X had just been released a few weeks ago. I had recorded it, and it's been about 3 months almost of it being released, and I've had it for about well, actually, it's been like more like 2.5 months now, but I've had it for about 2 of those months, and I've really had a lot of fun with it, even though it hasn't had really any exclusives or a whole lot of special advanced games for it. Alright, hello everyone. I don't know how well this video is going to go, but I hope it goes pretty well, because I am super excited because I now have the new Xbox Series X. So I guess I should start unboxing it. This is just going to be an unboxing. I'm not going to be doing any gameplay or anything. So yeah. Try to keep that box nice. Alright, flip it over. Make sure we're still on the shot good. And why is this? Oh jeez, I forgot this one. Alright, there we go. Now, oh, it's moving. Alright, let's see here. Oh, it's moving. Alright, let's see here. Oh, it's in my hands. Alright, let's try to pull this out here. Oh, doesn't want to get out. Here, I think this is... Oh boy. I think it goes like that. Then we have this. Kind of just tells you how to set it up a little bit. Then we've got, just more stuff to set it up, so I'll put that to the side. Then let's get into the box. Oh, well, actually we're not getting into the box yet, but we'll get into this box. So looks like we've got some power cable, and we've got this nice 2.1 HDMI cable that allows us to do 4K 60 or 120, I mean. And then here we go. Here is the controller. But then here's the, oh my goodness, this thing feels so weird compared to my Xbox One controller right here. But yeah, here's the controller. But yeah, here's the controller, and it feels really weird. We've got a nice USB-C right here. Sorry for getting out of the shot a bit, but it feels really weird. We've got the nice share button, but here's the D-pad now. Wow, actually that does feel really nice. This thing feels amazing. And then we've got the nice grips all over it, and it feels so weird. And yeah, honestly, I really like it. I thought it would be really cheesy feeling, but the Series S controller feels so nice compared to the One controller. But yeah, geez, this thing feels amazing. Alright, so that, I think, is about it. That's about it for the inside, what's inside the box. So let's move this over here. Slide this off. It says "Power Your Dreams." Pretty nice. Then let's try to open this without breaking it or anything. Broke it a little, unfortunately. Whoa, dude, this thing looks so huge in person. I did not expect it to look this big. Here, I'm gonna flip it up this way. That way I can get the back of it off. And wow, this thing feels amazing. Alright, we're gonna flip it like this, and I think I keep bumping the camera, unfortunately, so I'm sorry for that. Or at least one of the cameras. But whoa, oh my goodness. Wow. Oh my goodness. This thing looks ginormous. I know it may not look that big on camera, but this thing is huge looking. Like, wow, these holes. I didn't realize how big these holes actually were. These things are literally almost the size of my pinky. And I've got pretty decent sized hands. Because, wow, this thing is huge. Oh, I'm so glad I bought this. And if I turn this like that, yeah, you can see the green in the camera. I don't know how well you're going to see the Xbox from that camera, but wow, this thing's huge. Let's see the back, you know. Alright, let's see here, you know, you've got Series X, you know, all that. Wow, though, this thing is huge. And, well, this thing was made, like, a week after my birthday. Funny, but wow, this thing is so big. I did not realize how big this actually was. I know it probably looks really small on camera, but I am telling you, this thing is huge. But yeah, I think that's about it for the unboxing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.